I want to submit to the audience, Lewis, a nomination for the most comically clueless Trump staffer of the campaign so far. And that is none other than spokeswoman Katrina Pearson. You'll remember yesterday I told you how she went on CNN and spoke to Wolf Blitzer and said that the death of U.S. Army Captain Humayun Khan, the son of Khazar Khan, made very known by his DNC speech, was actually the fault of President Obama and Hillary Clinton. Of course, that death happened in 2004 when President Obama was 5 years away from becoming president of the United States. She has now decided to sort of walk it back, but again, it's one of these sort of bogus apology type statements. This is what she had to say.
Katrina, do you want to apologize to Mr. Khan?
Yeah.
Apologize for the timeline. What I was talking about is the fact that Donald Trump has no connection to anything having to do with Captain Khan, who was a brave war hero. The timeline is very simple and true.
You do acknowledge now that you were just wrong.
Well, absolutely. That's why I use probably, because I was just going through the timeline.
Right. She just said President Obama was probably responsible for a military death 5 years he took office, not definitely responsible for a 5-year a death that predates his presidency by 5 years. Got it. Thanks, Katrina. Appreciate it. She sure cleared it up for me.
Yep. I think that this really is just the best Trump can do. Why would she not have been fired ages ago?
Yeah,
right.
It doesn't make any sense.
It's just mess up after mess up after mess up. And I'm saying mess up because I can't say F up.
What it actually is, yeah. And I honestly don't know why she would reverse this at all. Everybody knows that the Illinois State Senate had a major role in planning and implementing George W. Bush's war in Iraq back in 2003 and 2004. Totally reasonable.
Yeah. Actually, did you know that Hillary Clinton was responsible for World War I? This is little known fact.
Yeah.
But you can look this up.
Why do you even need to blame Obama if the point you're trying to make is Trump had nothing to do with your son's death? It just doesn't follow. And a reminder, ignored in this entire conversation, is that the vice presidential running mate of Donald Trump, Mike Pence, voted for the war, but Trump has already covered that, saying, hey, everybody makes mistakes when it's your running mate. But that same mistake made by your opponent is completely different, Lewis, of course.
Of course, yeah. And Donald Trump has repeatedly said that he was so against the war, right? But that might not be true.
Yeah, well, we actually had Trump campaigns on the fact that he was never in favor of the Iraq war. Let's go to video from 2002. Donald Trump saying something very, very different, audio, that is, to Howard Stern.
Really don't know the enemy.
I know, they're skulking around somewhere and you just feel like you're a sitting duck.
But we have an idea who the enemy is, and a lot of times the politicians don't want to tell you that.
Are you for invading Iraq?
Yeah, I guess so. I wish it was. I wish the first time it was done correctly.
Right. Are you still against rebuilding the World Trade Center?
I'm not against rebuilding it.
Okay, so do not fall for the Trump was always against the Iraq war thing. I've presented audio to you where he says something very different. Now, here's the really important thing. The longer that these are the discussions on corporate media, the worse it is for Donald Trump. It can't be good to constantly be doing damage control, and that is exactly what we are seeing reflected in the polls.
Well, we have to give corporate media a little bit of credit here, because instead of actually covering important things most of the time, it is fun to cover Donald Trump F-ups and Katrina Pearson, spokesperson, F-ups a lot of the time. And it's seriously damaging, right?
No doubt. And the polls are reflecting that.
They do it to Hillary, too. It's just that Trump provides them with so many more opportunities to do so.
Yeah, it's a wealth of material, no doubt about it.